So, cut everything. So, hey guys. How to create it. Okay, we're gonna do it. Hi everyone. So, we were getting super bored and we decided to do something fun, maybe as per us. We are trying to review some profiles over Tinder and we decided to install it, and now we have created an account after seeing a lot of other profiles too. So now we are going to review some profiles. You have already started. He already started swiping left and right. I guess we'll have limited swipes. He's reading out the profiles. So we're gonna do it on camera, maybe uncut, maybe cut. I don't know what we're gonna do. But if you're interested in some judgment, stay. Okay,
just for fun.
just for fun. We're going to just for fun. While installing Bumble, मतलब इतने options हैं. Hinge, Tinder, ये तो फिर भी चलो थोड़े famous वाले. These are at least a little famous. Diwali for singles. Diwali. 3 fun. 2 people are couple. 3 fun.
Bisexual और gay और lesbian के लिए.
Badbu.
Hey, it's a badu.
बदबू. ऐसा नहीं होता बदबू में अपने पार्टनर की बगले सूंघनी है. फैंटेसी. मैं तुम्हारी बदबू सूंघना चाहता हूँ. I will smell you. अडल्ट कैजुअल डेटिंग ऐप. यहाँ पे आप कुछ सीरियस नहीं ढूंढ सकते.
ओके, तो बाकी डेटिंग एप्स में किड्स जा रहे थे.
अडल्ट कैजुअल डेटिंग. इट्स लाइक बच्चे तो खैर बच्चे अपने स्कूल में कर ले रहे हैं ना. उनका स्कूल में चल जा रहा है, स्कूल कॉलेजेस में. अभी अडल्ट होने के बाद नहीं पता चला, कॉर्पोरेट में करोगे पॉश लग जा रहा है. Tired of 2 fun, want a group fun. Triple the fun, triple the love. आपने सुना था? यहाँ से I'm no longer a Gen Z guys. Oh, be friend is like friends with benefits. आप नाम दोस्ती का दो, but you take all the benefits.
मैं कौन सी दुनिया में थी? मैं अभी तक सिर्फ इंस्टामार्ट, स्विगी, जोमैटो एक्चुअली यही देख रही थी.
हम क्या कर रहे हैं? जोमैटो कर रहे हैं, स्विगी कर रहे हैं,
ब्लिंकिट कर रहे हैं, बास्केट कर रहे हैं, अक्षय कल्पा कर रहे हैं, और वी आर सोचिंग ओ गॉड कितने सारे डिलीवरी ऐप है.
यहाँ
उससे ज्यादा डेटिंग एप्स है. ओके, सो हम लोग स्टार्ट किए थे
बम्बल. So we're gonna open the Bumble.
सबसे फेमस वन है.
It's installed more of for love, of love. Create account. So we'll be creating an account. Whose number? Your number.
Right, my number.
Not my number. Come. We need a man's opinion and everything.
Okay.
We want it.
Give my number.
Phone.
90.
Video. You're coming.
Change
He
it.
is putting his
Yes,
number on
bolo.
a video. But
Right.
we're gonna.
9.
He's married, guys. He's married to my sister. Not
What?
available. अगर आप
Oh.
बम्बल पे फाइंड करेंगी प्रोफाइल, tell us. ताकि मेरी बहन की फीलिंग सेट कर सके. बाल काफी शाइनी लग रहा है भाई. धोते रहना चाहिए. 2 हफ्ते में एक बार शैम्पू करने के बाद you can get some healthy hair. Some sexy name like पूनम. राखी सावंत. पता है कि हम ये पोस्ट करेंगे भी या नहीं, लेकिन क्योंकि बकचोदी करनी है, so we'll do it in all legit form. We have installed the app, we did all the settings, and
But we have edit option as well. We can edit the height.
what height? But I don't think we can do that.
Yes.
Basic 20 to 30 is what we are looking for. Up to 80 kilometers. No, we will prefer to
40 kilometer.
40 is too much.
35?
30 works.
Okay.
30 is still too much. What your interest as filters? No. Anyway, like we'll see profiles like that. Okay, NIT Jalandhar. Dating me is like having a porn star.
Porn star and gentleman.
Sorry, again. Dating me is like having a porn star, a gentleman, and the comedian all in one. Johnny Bhaiya. Johnny Bhaiya आप इधर. Johnny Bhaiya is like
But
Jack
he
of
was
all
still
trades and master of one. Okay, he's open for fun casual dates. Intimacy
Intimacy
without
without
commitment.
commitment.
He don't want commitment, but he want to be kind. Strategist at Google.
Mhm.
MBA. Nice. 29 by age. Let's talk.
Let's talk.
The boringest of boring bio a guy can put.
Just
One-
say stop.
You want to talk only.
He just want to talk, nothing
He
else.
just want to talk.
But he is looking for a long-term relationship. He is also looking for fun casual dates too. He's ambitious, humor and loyalty.
Mhm.
Prefer beaches. Quite cute.
Yes, it's cute.
Gym lover, basically.
Finding cheap air tickets on the fly and not. No, I'm not
not talking
taking
about
about
this.
Skyscanner.
Why?
Not
Kayak you can find cheap flights on. That's where we can do. We'll swipe left, not interested. Okay, got it. Bumble is being. Rick, senior data engineer
too
at IT.
many IT peoples.
Actually, we do have long-term relationship. Everyone is looking for long-term relationships. Still, they're on Bumble. I shouldn't judge. My bio is what's in bio. Let's connect and figure it how it goes. Don't know.
इतना टाइम नहीं है ब्रो.
आशीष ने अपना ऑक्यूपेशन ऐड नहीं किया है, तो हम इस पे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं.
It's a very, very common name, guys. Gym evening, good food and easy conversations. Here for fun dates and real chemistry. Fun dates, real chemistry.
Oh,
Coffee is usually good
he's
stuff.
my type of person, coffee person. So we can go for so we can go for a one coffee date.
Starbucks और
मैं तो पति होती तो ना सहती. I'm looking for a long-term relationship. He is looking for a long-term relationship, but he is also open for fun casual dates.
Play funless.
Okay, my perfect first date is coffee that turns into a long walk and ends with we should do it again. After coffee, if you guys will go for a long walk, you will end up finding Sauchalay. Okay, he's known for staying calm, showing up on time, and picking good places to eat. I can do that too.
40%.
Okay, we have another Google guy. SWE at Google. His name is not here because it's A. We will get along if you're into any of these anime, gym, RCB or me.
And me, actually.
Comparison you can see, huh? Anime, gym, RCB and then him. RCB se comparing himself, and 173 centimeters is his height. Quite low.
Oh, drink, no?
You cannot go back
Okay.
unless you have a premium account. Cheap people.
Mm-hmm.
We have Piyush. He's 28.
Do you have things in common?
6'1". Height. Good.
Good,
Impressive.
right?
We
That's it.
like height. They say love happens when you least expect it, and trust me, my expectations could not be lower right now.
right now. Mm-hmm.
इसका बार ही बहुत low set है. Software engineer at Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
जानते हो फिर भी अनजान बनते हो. इस तरह हमें क्यों पर शायरी ना बायो. Okay, this guy has also okay. come, we are judging this one literally. जानते हो फिर भी अनजान बनते हो with बंदर से छुपे हुए मोबाइल इमोजी. It's like शर्माती हुई इमोजी. इस तरह हमें क्यों परेशान करते हो? पूछते हो तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? जवाब खुद हो और सवाल करते हो.
wow, Saidi is
Cliche.
really nice.
Nice.
But I think this person is really wrong place.
Mm-hmm.
Snapchat ID also he has added, guys. If you want, we are going to swipe him. Okay, ठीक है. Efforts लगाए हैं इसने. Software developer at IT. Inching, English and genuine. इतने English हमें नहीं आती. Be little.
Oh, this is also a cute guy.
This is a good one, no?
Marketing
Marketing manager. Looking for a face to die and a wife to live for.
Nice.
शक्ल देख के मौत आ जाए. Okay. 177 centimeter. चलेगा. I'm looking for fun casual dates, a long-term relationship, humor, humility, emotional intelligence. He's a cat person.
Good.
Oh, he's quite cute. Okay.
Nice smile.
I am around my cats. He's happiest when he's around his cats. Environmentalist, human rights. Okay, fine. Into dank humor. Flower salon. Nice. 11 cats and a meme page. She has 11 cats. भैया के पास कपड़ों की कमी है. भैया नंगे होके आ गए. बम्बर ने कपड़े उतार दिए. Okay. Stand out before your match with compliments. Okay, got it. Vicky. Vicky Bleach. We have Akhil, he's 23. Can be your Superman.
At 23,
He can be a
he
Superman.
can be your Superman.
Not mine.
भाई पहले तो अपनी चड्डी बदल ले.
23. तुम्हें क्या लगता है उसको चड्डी बदलनी नहीं आती होगी? He'll be knowing, of
Just
course, how to
know,
change his underwear.
Why you are defending, huh?
23, 23. I support my age people. Like Gen Zs. हम एक दूसरे के लिए खड़े हैं. We are supporting each other. University of London. पढ़ा लिखा. Confident enough to flirt, grounded enough to care, and curious enough to see where this goes. 180 centimeter is his height.
Nice.
Fine. हम ज़्यादा judgmental हो रहे हैं. We're turning on too judgmental, but
We sit here to judge.
yeah, people can judge us as well. We won't mind. We'll just hate you. We will mind. Abhi tak, till now we haven't found anything really, really interesting.
Agreed.
She agrees. He has a height of 168. He's Gemini. Gemini. But he's looking for fun, casual dates. If they want something casual, keep it casual. But they want something fun and casual. Abhi kya, what
At
they
the same
expect?
time, a long time relationship.
They want us to do mujra on date. Okay.
They want fun and casual, but for the long time.
They want to keep us like an entertainer.
Why
in their life for long term.
you're taking on you personally? यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ प्रोफाइल रिव्यू कर रहे हैं.
We are
not
reviewing
doing numbers.
profiles. Yes. The thing is, guys, what guys are actually looking for. So they're actually looking for a person or someone to date who can be fun, casual, no strings attached, no commitments for a longer time. That's what it means. A pro and a con of dating him is I can turn you into poem.
I don't know.
मैं किसी की कविता नहीं किताब बनना चाहती हूँ. I want
Shut up.
cheesy, creepy, you say whatever, but I want to be like कि देवी हूँ मैं, पूजो मुझे.
Oh.
I'm the goddess of your life. Write a book on my name, or maybe on me. Still end up cheating. Okay. We have another one. He's a software engineer again. Mostly all IT guys are here, kind of. Like, we are seeing only kind of IT guys.
Feeling sleepy.
She's sleepy. She's already not interested.
Because I'm not getting anything interesting.
No interesting profiles on Bumble. Guys, work harder. What you guys are doing? Okay, I'm making my eyes big a lot of time. Okay, I work in tech, lift in the gym, and
Smash on the badminton court.
always up for food, fun, and a little bit of adventure. 165 centimeter Richard. Product manager, good one.
Looking nice.
Jack of all trades and master of some. Could be considered 183
More
centimeters.
interesting.
Undergraduate, open to kids and all. Fun casual dates.
I think people only put the
They actually want something like,
default things.
not default. I guess they want people to be like, you stay in my life, keep me entertained. You stay
But I don't
loyal
want to give you
everything.
any
Commitments. Yeah, more of like that.
We don't want to take any responsibility. This is nowadays.
This one looks quite handsome. He is looking more of like, who's that guy from Sanam?
But I think he's a student, Harshvardhan.
Ah,
Looking for a
he is more of a looking
salsa
like
partner. His
looking for a salsa partner, and we are like Nagin dance kind of people.
Bharati dance.
Yeah, we actually do Marathi dance, and we are from Bihar, so there we do like Bhojpuri gaane pe bhi dance, bro. She swiped left in speed. This guy is working
Now.
meeting new people to see where it takes us. Looking for my Sayara. Ew, creepy. Pilot at Indigo. Looking for female girls. Female girls.
Girls. Looking
There
for a female girls.
So I'm looking for a guy male. Guy man.
So
guy
यहाँ
boys.
पे कोई मेल गर्ल
Male
भी
boys.
है मेल
We-
गर्ल I am hoping you
You are a female.
I think बेचारे के साथ पास्ट में कुछ तो भी हुआ है.
Okay, my personal hell is there is a snake in the washroom and I am mid-face wash. Eye full of foam, can't see shit, snake can. Great.
Don't know. Out of syllabus.
Dark humor. Ew. शक्ल देख अपनी लौड़े. Senior. Okay. Evil emoji. Need a good company for the weekend drinks. Bevada venture. Nothing fun and casual here. We found being judgmental, reviewing some profiles doesn't make us more of a person, you know. We should not judge anyone, guys. We should never be so judgmental about anyone. And it's so bad to judge people. Like, who do it? Ew. We did.
No.
We
We're
just
just doing healthy gossip.
gossip. No, we don't gossip. We were just discussing something for future.
We are just
references.
passing information.
Kind of. Rachel
Yes.
Green. We were not passing the information. We were just discussing something that it's something good or not for the people who can try to use some dating apps like whoever. So ending it on this note, we'll come up with something else when we'll feel like doing something else. For now, I guess we are done. We have done it.
Yes.
We have done
Okay.
enough.
Bye bye.
So see you guys. Till then, if you guys felt something like it was interesting, I don't know if you guys have felt or not, we can do it more. So later on, if we'll put some another video, we'll expect you guys to see again or watch it again. So thank you so much for staying hinged and stay connected if
Mama.
you want. no, not that hinged. Not that hinged one. Like stay connected, guys, if you want. But ending this on good note. And we're not judgmental. Don't judge. We should not judge people. Neither do you guys. Bye then. Okay, see you guys.